Did I spit in your face? Wow.
Alright, I'm gonna push it into your spine.
Because I bend over all day at work. Ooh, yeah.
It's nice and straight.
That was awesome.
How's that feel? Does that feel weird or what?
Oof. It wants to so badly. That one was like really crazy.
Strike, mid stance, and toe off are okay. It looks like a little eversion on the right. Pronation happening on the left. The knees come together, maybe just a slight genuvalgum. Yeah, there is definitely a genuvalgum on the left. And a little bit on the right too. Maybe a slight bowing there on both sides. It's symmetrical. And just a slight decrease in the arch, symmetrical. Can't really see the angulation here from the knee down. Go and turn around again, face me over here. But we can certainly see it more on the left here. Both knees are pointing inward. Okay, very gentle scan on the top of your spine. Okay, I'm going to do a temperature scan with the back of my hands. Nice and cool down here, actually, and symmetrical. Not too much on the right or the left. The muscles on the right side of your spine are definitely more prominent. Oh, they're sensitive too. The ticklish or? Yeah.
Right there.
Alright, I'm going to push into your spine a little bit further. Certainly has some tension here, that's for sure. Okay, I'm going to palpate the SI joints. Okay, left, right, left, right. Is one of these more tender than the other?
I guess the right.
This is deep. Move them apart again. Back to center. All right, you're gonna feel my fingers on the back of your hamstrings right here. Okay, we're slightly lower on the right side versus the left. Okay, looking from the top. Feet are even, that's good. And there's really no accentuation from the left or right. I'm gonna palpate the top of the glutes here. And the tonicity is equal. We're gonna check for scoliosis first. Go and bend forward and touch your toes. All right. No curvatures here. It's nice and straight. We do have a little bit of a dip here. Go and stand back up. Right here, right where that ticklish spot was. All right, let's test and see how the sacrum is moving. Let's see if this is stuck on the left side. All right, go ahead and let your arms relax and then bend forward and touch your toes. Good, come back up. Okay, now do the right side. Okay, back up. And again, asymmetrical movement there. Topical magnesium, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna spray it. It's gonna be slightly cold. This is a scraping tool. It's gonna get hot.
Okay.
Okay, you ready to get cracked?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice and gentle. Deep breath in. And out, following the breath down. Shoulders sinking in. Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Nice.
Okay, one more. Deep breath in.
Wow.
Give it a try. Deep breath in, far as you can go. Shoulders relaxing as you breathe out. Damn. Okay, lift this right leg up in the air. Good, down. Okay, left. Down. Which side was more difficult?
I feel like the right side.
So I'm going to follow your breath, okay? As you breathe out, I'm going to stretch your shoulders up in this direction and your hips down like this, and then we're going to push down like that.
Okay.
Shoulders. Good.
That was awesome.
Okay, nice and gentle breathing just like that. shoulders. Bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Center. Left ear. Center. Okay, nice and gentle breathing. We're gonna start on the right side here. Good, let your head relax, shoulders relax, Cheyenne. Good, I'm gonna follow your breath. Good, nice and gentle.
Nice. Woo!
Okay, nice and gentle, sinking in. Good, we're gonna let this all go. Good, breathing in through your nose. Good, let it go, let it sink. Good, let it sink, 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 sink.
It wants to so badly. Ooh, yeah. Oh.
Okay, you find these 2 points, you connect the two. In the middle is where you begin looking for the iliocecal valve, which is right there. It's active right now. It's probably really tender, huh?
Kind of. Yeah.
Okay, can you belly breathe? Good. Good. Okay, hold that right there. Hold that right there. I'm going to use this towel to support your neck. Okay, you okay with that? Mm-hmm. Okay, Cheyenne, as you breathe out, I'm going to follow your breath like this in this direction. And at the end, we pull like that, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be okay. This one's slightly more aggressive than the other ones.
Yeah, it's a little aggressive. That's okay. We're going to get through it.
Good, I like that. Okay, deep breath in. And out. Good, keep your teeth together. Just breathe through your nose.
Oof. Oof.
Breathe. Take your time.
Wow.
Did you feel it all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did I spit in your face? Oof. Wow. That one was like really crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I feel it like right here.
Good, that's perfect.
That right pelvis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your right SI joint.
Damn.
How does it feel?
Like a new woman. Oh. Wow.
Ooh.